right, y'all. So quick unboxing, and then I will have the install video a little later. So today I am unboxing let's see what I got here. Go ahead and move that onto the floor. Doing everything one-handed, y'all, so bear with me. Try not to mess nothing up. Ooh, nice. This is the Adventure Shield, which is supposed to be much larger than the Sport face shield. This one's supposed to be about 150% larger. I went with this one because I wanted to block as much air and as much bug and road debris as possible. At first, I was not very keen on getting this, but as I started driving, even with the helmet, there's a lot of wind, there's a lot of turbulence, there's a lot of bugs, a lot of debris. So I went on ahead, I broke down, I seen a couple of the bikes, like pictures and things like that with this on, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna give it a go because yes, I do like to be kind of practical. So here it is, I bought it, and I'm gonna get this thing installed here pretty soon, but right now this is just an unboxing just to kind of show you everything that comes with this. So check that out. So it looks like it's two, I don't know. It's interesting. It's kind of like it's 2 in 1. So that's pretty cool. All right, so in the other, split boxes that it came in, you get your, looks like 4 threaded bolts, and you get your gauge, I don't know, we'll just call it a gauge spoiler, but your gauge support spoiler, whatever. Looks like the shield may clip in there, and then you just kind of screw it in. It doesn't look like a very complicated situation. So, needless to say, I'm gonna get this thing installed very soon. All right, y'all, so quick install. Basically, you're gonna take this black piece, you're gonna basically slide it in. So let me show you. See how it kind of connected together like that? You just slide it in. Then we're gonna take these bolts, and you're gonna feed those bolts through the holes, and you wanna match here. So pretty simple, but you may need 2 people, but we're gonna attempt this thing one-handed. So you guys just bear with me. We're gonna get to the finished product here in just a second. All right, y'all. So I had a bit of an uh-oh and kind of dropped my shield, just trying to get this thing one-handed. And so it's definitely best if you have two people to help out. But what I did was I started from the bottom. So you have 2 holes here, one here and one here on each side. I started on the bottom and worked one of them in. Then I kind of linked my shield back, as you see, and then was able to match up the other side. I was able to match up the other side and hand kind of tighten it in, and now I have it positioned how it is now. Next, all I'm going to do is really just lift the shield forward and try to hand tighten the other 2 bolts, and then hopefully get them tightened with the correct screw pattern. So you guys just bear with me. It's not a hard install, but it does take a little bit of patience just because you got to get these screws in just right. So hang tight, and I'm going to show you the finished product. All right, so after about 30 minutes, I had to get an Allen wrench to, if I can focus, I have those 2 bolts at the top. Had to get an Allen wrench and do a quarter turn for about 15 minutes on each side because I did not have a T30 bit that was angled or long enough to get to that. However, that T30 bit that I did have was able to get both of the bottoms. And that is the finished look. It looks good. However, when I had my accident and dropped it, I had these small little chips. It's kind of hard to see, but it did kind of slide on the ground. But it is what it is. And like I said, this is adjustable. Pull it out and lift it up. So So for now, that is it. You guys stay tuned for the ride to see how it does blocking the wind. But for now, that's it, and we'll see y'all next time.